Building an online empire shouldn't feel like navigating a digital maze, so let's untangle Podia versus Squarespace and discover which platform will actually make your online business dreams a reality. First, let's talk features. Podia shines when it comes to selling online courses, memberships, and digital downloads. It's built specifically for creators. You'll find intuitive course builders with options for different content types, quizzes, and even payment plans. Think drag-and-drop simplicity for structuring your lessons. Squarespace, on the other hand, is a website builder. First and foremost, it allows you to sell online courses, but it doesn't offer the same depth of dedicated course-building features. It shines in design and aesthetics. For memberships, Podia gives you more control over community features and member management. Squarespace requires a bit more customization to achieve a similar level of member engagement. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Podia wins here with its straightforward, creator-focused design. You can get your products up and running fast, even if you're not a tech whiz. Squarespace has a steeper learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with website builders. Marketing tools. Both platforms offer email marketing features, but Podia has built-in affiliate marketing, which can be a game-changer for boosting your sales. Squarespace relies heavily on third-party integrations. Finally, let's dive into pricing. Podia's plans are generally more affordable for creators focused solely on selling digital products. Squarespace's pricing can vary depending on the features you need. So, the verdict: if you're all about selling online courses, memberships, and digital products with ease, Podia's your go-to. But if you need a visually stunning website first and core selling is secondary, Squarespace might be the better fit. Make the decision that best suits you.